Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is RAF Regiment Gunners Surpass 5 target air defense benchmark in Middle East counter-drone operations. The Royal Air Force said its regiment personnel have reached a historic milestone in Middle East operations by defeating 5 or more aerial threats within a single operational period. The achievement marks a modern parallel to the Second World War ACE benchmark, traditionally awarded to fighter pilots. In the current operational environment, RAF regiment gunners are countering uncrewed aerial systems, hostile drones, and complex swarming threats. Officials said these engagements represent a new form of air combat conducted within ground-based air defense systems. We are all gunners, some as young as 18, many of us with over 5 confirmed engagements, and some just 8 months out of training. We are proud to represent the next generation of the Corps, personnel said. Under constant threat, we are responsible for detecting, tracking and engaging targets, often while coming under fire, but we continue to load and operate equipment even as missiles land around us. This is our fight, and we take immense pride in our role. Working long, demanding shifts in high-pressure conditions, we remain focused, determined, and resilient, they added. Operators are working within layered radar and sensor networks, supported by electronic warfare and kinetic systems. The RAF said these teams operate under direct threat, with incoming fire impacting around their positions during engagements. Multiple personnel have surpassed the 5 engagement threshold, in some cases within a single night. Officials said the conditions reflect a high-tempo operational environment requiring rapid identification and response. Since the outset of the conflict in late February 2026, RAF regiment personnel, supported by Royal Air Force engineers and air surveillance officers, have been at the forefront of countering persistent one-way attack UAV threats to UK and allied personnel, infrastructure, and assets in the Middle East, said Richard Mohan. During the 23rd and 24th of March, RAF regiment gunners operating within a ground-based counter-UAS unit delivered the most effective defensive outcome achieved in a single night to date, underscoring the regiment's central role in force protection within a high-threat environment, he said. Our gunners are key to these actions, demonstrating the professionalism, vigilance, and composure expected of RAF regiment personnel conducting self-defense engagements under pressure, he added. The RAF said the term ACE is no longer formally used, but noted that current operational achievements reflect comparable standards. Their milestone highlights the evolving nature of air defense and the role of ground-based operators in modern conflict. Our deployed gunners are showing outstanding courage to defend deployed UK personnel, allies, and partners every day. They are genuinely putting their own lives at risk in the defense of others. As their Commandant General, I am extremely proud of their professionalism and self-sacrifice being displayed by these amazing people, said Paul Hamilton. Officials said the achievement underscores the contribution of RAF regiment personnel to force protection in high-threat environments. The development reflects broader changes in how air superiority is maintained in modern warfare. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.